Yo, what up? It's your boy Focus. I just wanted to take a second because it just dawned on me. I mean, we are living in remarkable times. If you are an artist, a producer, musician, I mean, it's incredible the time that we living in now. Last week, I made a beat in Reason. I use Reason, and I made a beat, a lo-fi beat. I got back into producing, and so I've been touring around with production and these last couple of weeks, and I've been looking into the lo-fi game, and it's crazy. I have some friends, some producer friends from Germany. These guys got like hundreds of thousands of monthly listeners because they made it to playlists. So I was like, man, let me try to experiment and see what I can do. So I made a couple of joints. I was touring around. And I made one last week. Today's Christmas. This is the 25th. So last week, I made. What was it last week? Yeah, last week. Last week I made a beat, and one that I felt like, all right, this one sounds all right. So today, on the 25th, on Christmas, I mixed it. I mastered it. I went on Canva and created some artwork, two different pieces of artwork. One, which is a video that I will be posting on YouTube right after I do this. And the other is a cover that I'm going to be posting for Spotify and for the DSPs right after this as well. But look how crazy that is. I did all of this stuff today, get it right out to the world today, and people from somebody from Russia, somebody from, well, maybe not Russia, but somebody from Japan, somebody from Luxembourg, somebody from Germany. I'm in the crib, created something, put it out to the world just like that. So, there's no excuses now, right? There's really no excuses. Work on your craft, get the product out, and promote the product. So with that being said, make sure you check out my new first lo-fi beat. It's called Latin Rain. Check it out right now. It's on my YouTube page, and it will be on all DSPs shortly as well. But for now, check it out. Let me know what you think about it. It's not really my first one, but it's the first one that I felt was good enough to put out. But write in the comments and let me know what you think, if the beat is good and if you like it or not, all good. But what an incredible time we are living in. I can make the beat today. I can mix it today. I can master it today. I can get the artwork done. I can put it out just like that. Crazy. Yo, that's all I got to say for right now. Take advantage. We are living in incredible times right now, y'all. Let's make it happen, baby.